Hi everyone, welcome back. So we just headed out of the city, do some more camping. Just past Barrie. As you can see, the further north we get, the more snow we're getting. It's about -10 out. So I've got a few more Crown Land spots that I got marked out on my map. We're gonna check them out. Anyways, we'll see what we can find. So come along for the ride. And if you want the actual location at the end, I'll leave a link to my website. Go to my website, you'll find the actual location where these Crown Land spots are, so you can enjoy them too. So come along. So we just crossed over onto Crown Land now, and we're just gonna start scouting out some spots around here. Beautiful sunny day. It's gonna be real nice. The river's right over here. Well, here we are. So we didn't make the first two spots. They weren't very good that I had marked. But there's a nice spot here where we're at. And we thought we'd spend the night tonight here. And then we'll do some exploring. Try and see if we can find a little bit more of a private spot. But what a beautiful, right by the river. And we're just gonna go get some firewood now and get our meal ready for tonight. So we're just waking up. Last night was probably one of the coldest nights we've had so far. It was -16 degrees Celsius. The sheets are sticking to the outside of the trailer a little bit, but we were nice and warm in our sleeping bags. Now we got the furnace turned on, cranked on, and it's about 20 degrees in here now, so it warms it up real nice and fast. So now I'm gonna go out, start a fire, and put the breakfast on. Go get your own sticks. When we first get up in the morning, we like to make our coffee inside. It's nice and warm, just sets the day right. But our second coffee we like to have outside. So just gonna get it set up. We've got the fire going. It's a little bit wet. The wood is quite wet. I'm gonna try and find a little bit more wood today. Some dry stuff, but it'll make us some coffee. Hey, so our water's all done now. It's boiled, ready to make some coffee. We use this, it's just a French press, but it's insulated, so it keeps your coffee hot. So it's just, we don't even own a coffee maker. This is just what we use even at home. So I'll put the coffee grounds in it and the boiling water, make some coffee. One of the things I've always enjoyed about camping is your morning coffee. You get to sit, just relax, no sounds of cars, none of the city noise. You just hear the river, and you can just enjoy the peace. So for breakfast this morning, we're going to make some pancakes. and we thought we'd just make it in the trailer. It's a little bit cold outside right now. It's about -10, so in here it's nice and warm. We'll be able to make some. So we're just hiking down at the river here. I just wanted to show you a little bit of the view, kind of the afternoon suns. So quiet though. All you hear is the water running. So for dinner tonight, we're gonna have some ribs, and then I've got the vegetables. I just cut them at home. So there's potatoes, parsnips, and carrots in here. I'm gonna cook it over the fire, the vegetables. So I just want to put about a ½ inch of water in there, then dump these in there, a little bit of oil, and then we'll let them cook away. So we got home kind of late tonight for dinner. After we were exploring a little bit, we found a few nice campsites. But anyways, now we've got the vegetables, they're almost done, and now we're doing our ribs. So for the ribs, normally we just boil them at home for about an hour, and then put them in a baggie, just a Ziploc bag with your favorite barbecue sauce, and then they're ready to go. Just a few minutes on the grill and they're good. So we fired up the barbecue. I've got my barbecue hooked up to my main propane tank, and now we're just going to let them cook for a little bit. Man, these are smelling really good. I think they're just about done. Well, that's a wrap. We're done. We had a real nice time out here. It was nice just to get away from the city, 4 days of peace and quiet. But now we're heading home. So if you enjoyed the adventure, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to follow along for some more. Also, if you want the location, you'll find it in a link below. I'm going to link to my website, and I'm going to give you all the locations in that website. So I hope our adventure today has motivated you to enjoy your own outside.